Hi friends, in this video I would like to announce all the plans or maybe like what is that we are trying to achieve with niche marketers in the coming year 2021. So I'll tell you that um, for the 2021 the plan is to make this community very marketer focused. So initially when we started this community we had a thought that we'll also try to be means want to attract business owners and all, but right now I'm shifting my focus. We want to focus more on the marketers. So anyone who is into the marketing profession and who calls himself as a marketer and a digital marketer. So if you might be a freelancer, so we for the freelancers, I would like to help freelancers by collaborating or connecting them with other agencies or maybe with other business owners who are looking for freelancers, and also in providing support with the tools or other advisors they require. So because we will be able to provide the tools at low cost and also that way I want to support freelancers with niche marketers. This is one thing, and apart from this we also want to be supportive to marketing professionals working in any organizations. So they also have their needs for information and knowledge. So we want to be that who can provide all the information, and I also want to be a place where we can have joyful discussions about marketing which we enjoy, and together when we are able to contribute and talk, I think we will be able to make a huge difference. Because at the end of the day, see, we are here creating a platform where we can share knowledge and stuff. So we'll be having more and more sessions, webinars, live sessions, panels, even seriously thinking of starting a podcast wherein we'll dig deep into many marketers stories and whatever they have to share to this world. So marketing professionals is one more thing, and digital marketing agency owners, of course, they are there. So we want to be the knowledge community where we share a lot of knowledge and stuff, and let's attract right kind of business owners or others who can come and give you business. So in whole and whole, I'll tell you that in this 2021 I want to provide you the platform where you can brand yourself, as brand yourself for the position you want to be. Like if you are trying to target or you want to focusing on one specific niche, so those are the people whom we definitely like and love to promote. So if you are focusing on a specific niche, like Facebook ads or Instagram marketing or Pinterest marketing, so you start branding yourself. So you need to keep doing the good work. So niche marketers can definitely help you in the journey. So let us see and be the very active knowledge community along with the problem solving community. So we are also coming up with the niche marketers club initiative, which is a very big one. Like means big in the sense the thought process is very big for that. So we together can make it really big. So these are the plans. These are not very detailed and crystal clear. I will definitely come up with a crystal clear plan in coming couple of days. But because this is the end of the 2020, just I want to share our alignment towards niche marketers. Like where are we going to go? So our core focus will be marketers. So we want to just solve the problems of marketers. So if you have any kind of problem you face, you let me know. I try to do it effectively. Like I try to do it free of cost. Somehow I manage to get it free of cost for you. But if it's not manageable, it's not possible to get anything free of cost for you, we may think other ways. So it's marketers. It's about marketers. So whatever challenges you're facing, let me know. I am interested to solve that, and I'm interested to be a part of that. For any learning. So see, I may not be the only person who knows everything, so I can connect you to the right people. So this is the difference when it comes to 2020 and 2021. Now we are a marketer focused community where we focus on the marketers. Not marketers that just doesn't mean only freelancers. So we are looking at marketing professionals working in organizations. Everyone who has to do with marketing, like marketing companies, marketing software companies, product companies. So anyone who's in the ecosystem. So thank you very very much. This is the short video I would like to explain about the plans for the 2021. Thank you very much and wish you a happy new year once again.